In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a promo code in TradingView. If you're new to TradingView or just looking to enjoy some extra savings, knowing how to apply a promo code can be incredibly beneficial. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure you can make the most out of your TradingView account. First, let's start by heading over to the TradingView website. Open your preferred web browser and type in TradingView's URL or search for it on Google to access their homepage. Once you're on their site, you'll want to look for the plan selection section. TradingView offers several subscription plans, each with its own unique features to suit diverse trading needs. So, navigate to their pricing page, which is easily accessible from the homepage, usually via a visible button like Go Pro or something similar. On the pricing page, you'll find multiple plan options. Take a moment to review each plan and select the one that aligns with your trading requirements. Once you've made your decision, proceed by clicking on the Pay Now button associated with your chosen plan. After clicking Pay Now, there will be a subsequent confirmation step. Here, you will likely be asked to choose the billing cycle that works best for you, either monthly or annually. It's worth noting that opting for the annual subscription often comes with a discount, so it's something to consider if you're planning on using TradingView for an extended period. Once you've made your selection, continue by clicking Next. At this stage, TradingView might suggest adding a market data subscription, depending on the data feed you require for your trading activities. Select your preferred market data option to proceed, and then click Next again to move forward. Now, here comes the part you've been waiting for. Applying your promo code. Look for the option that prompts Have a promo code. Clicking on it will reveal a field where you can enter your code. Carefully type in your promo code, ensuring there are no mistakes or additional spaces, as even minor errors might prevent the code from being accepted. Once the promo code is entered, TradingView will automatically adjust the total amount, reflecting the discount provided by your code. Double check to ensure the promo has been applied correctly. And that's it. You've successfully added a promo code to your TradingView subscription. Remember, using a promo code is a fantastic way to reduce your subscription cost and access premium features without breaking the bank. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Happy trading and enjoy the benefits of your discounted subscription on TradingView.